Hi everyone, welcome back to the Dr. K channel. Today we will see the continuation of the last video, which is a virtualization services provided by SAP.
We shall start the virtualization services provided by the SAP. So here this ERP virtualization increases when this investment, give me a second. Okay, sorry for the interruption. Okay, we shall continue. So today we are going to see the virtualization services provided by SAP. So the first point, what they are trying to say is hardware utilization. So here these SAP people, cloud provider people are providing the various resources which is similar to the hardware utilization to the customer or the user. So where we can have only the less amount of investment. So no need to have a large amount of investment. Our budget may go low if we choose the various cloud provider. Especially the SAP cloud provider people are providing the hardware utilizations. So not only that, for increasing the benefit of the business, these people are providing the ERP applications. So ERP applications, what this will do now, this will help us to provide the charts and customer reports and so and so. And not only that, this help us to reduce the IT cost, and where else we can improve their availability. So availability means we can increase the resources. So scalability can be provided much when compared with the other cloud provider. So here along with the SAP we have the VMware. So already we have seen individually what is meant by VMware, and with the help of this virtualization layer, what kind of various operating system can lie on the layer, and we can get so many resources with the help of this VMware. Likewise, similarly, SAP is also providing the VMware. For what these people are providing this one, so we are able to have more number of OS, and we are able to have n number of flexible private cloud platform which is based on the virtualization technology. Okay. So here another important cloud computing is the Salesforce. So another Salesforce.com is one of the cloud provider, and this cloud provider especially they provide the CRM product, and also it is composed of Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud, Force.com, Chatter and Work.com. So these are all the various offer provided by the Salesforce. So Salesforce people are providing the offering the various resources based on this activity, based on this utility. Okay, so this is a recent and trendy one, Salesforce, where the customer can be benefited more with the help of this cloud provider. Okay, so this cloud provider will help us to build a various application in a customized manner. Not only that, we can share their platform also.